Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great day today. Today I'll be doing a mukbang of some Mexican food. I actually ordered from a new place by my house called La Salsa Verde. Yeah, I got two different dishes actually this time. I got the Quesa-Birria Plate. Supposedly, birria meat quesadilla served with pickled onions and cilantro. So let's see. I guess this is it. Hopefully it's good. It smells somewhat good. I'm just not feeling this pickled stuff or whatever. And I also have just some regular beef tacos. And of course they got some green and red sauce on the side. And some limes. Look like they got reddish on the side. I don't think I never had that with tacos. That looks somewhat interesting. So yeah, and I got a beer on the side. I haven't had beer in a long time. Well, since basically New Year's around that time. Nah. It was when I actually went out and got sick. So yeah. It's been pretty good. I guess I have no complaints with, I guess, January. I'm still alive. I'm just pushing through just craziness every day. You can say that. So yeah, that's how my actually January has went. Looks pretty good. Greasy though, but looks good. This is pretty good. I actually would have preferred it fresh or whatever. I still had it warm or whatever, but not fresh. But I actually prefer to actually go and eat it. A lot of grease though. I think that's how it's supposed to be, but yeah. At this place they have some dang chitterlings tacos. Had everything. Lamb. I've never seen the chitlin taco though. That was weird. I haven't drunk a nice crisp beer in a while, so this is gonna be interesting. Yeah, and I never had radish like that before. Like on a taco. That's like really interesting. And they have cilantro. They put cilantro on one side of the foil and the onions on the other side. That's neat. I don't know what's going on, but yeah. Drink this. Crap. Yeah, disregard that. Dang. Beer smells still like piss to me nowadays. Ow! Yeah. Felt like I was about to throw up right there. What the hell was that? Oh, god dang. I guess it's been a while since I actually had a beer. Yeah, what the heck? I kind of got heated right there. Oh, what the hell is going on? What's this? Evaporation? Something from the heat of the food and stuff. But yeah, let's see how this is gonna be. Excuse me. See how this dang sauce is gonna taste. Like it's literally a mess over here, but I'm gonna have to clean it up eventually. So yeah, it probably is gonna be now. But yeah, this stuff is like extra liquidy, like as far as texture. I never had green sauce like that before, I don't think. Did this bitch just walk up the stairs or something? High heels or something? That was a lot of click clicks. Somebody just walked up here. It sounded like they had on like steps and long ass pumps and shit. So they was coming from the club drunk. That's really hot. God dang. I really feel like ants is attacking my tongue. The heck? Let me just taste the meat by itself because I don't think I can deal with that. That's actually good. I think I have a new spot that I might be going to for tacos. But too bad I'm moving. Or I might be moving. I know I'm moving, but I don't know when. They said they had some of my places or whatever in the area, so. Let's try with this red sauce. Yeah, the red sauce is just hot. It doesn't have any flavor. It has flavor, but not the flavor that I want at least. God dang. Oh, the red one was more spicier than the green. God dang. Woo. God dang. I don't think this beer is gonna work, so I need to go get something else out the refrigerator. I'm gonna take a quick intermission. I'm done. I had to take a quick intermission because that, I don't know, almost made me throw up. I don't know what the freaks is in that freaking sauce, but that's freaking disgusting. I'm freaking done eating that food. I'm now getting nauseous all over again, eating that, well, smelling it. So now I'm just like over it. So yeah, that's a done deal. I don't know what the hell. I don't even want to put this up. I'm really tired of smelling it. So yeah, I don't even want to smell this sauce at all. I don't want to smell none of this stuff from these people. I don't know what the heck they got going on. disgusting. Very disgusting, like really. So yeah, I'm over it. Like, it's like every time I get something from a fast food place, this is just disgusting. And when I eat something, it'd be like, only thing that I actually can eat these days is like, oh yeah, like Raising Cane. I got back on eating Chick-fil-A, and oh yeah, I like the salad from Walmart, the pre-made one or whatever. They have the meat and stuff in the deli section, but that's about it. So everything else is just like, I don't even like eating Hot Pockets or anything. At this point, it can't even live on air. Because I'm over it. All this stuff. Dang. That was disgusting. What the hell? I don't know. I don't know if it's just like for me just smoking or just, I don't know, drinking some Budlight Platinum or what. But it's like immediately when I drank that, or when I took that red sauce, it was like, so yeah, I think I'm over it now. Yeah, I think it's about time I need to throw up. Nah, I don't need to throw. It just gave me a nasty taste in my mouth. That was disgusting. Throwing that food away. Might even throw it out the window. But nah, I wouldn't throw it out the window, but yeah. Hey, but yeah, I'm just drinking the Canada Dry. I don't know why. It doesn't taste right. Excuse me. It's, yeah. That felt interesting. Oh, that was good. Yeah, I haven't took a nap the whole day. I'm just feeling like, wow. I guess, I don't know. It's just like these days. I feel like I gotta just take a nap every once in a while, just so I can be in a good mental state at least. Just take a relaxing nap and just reset again, or just meditate every once in a while. It seems like one of those days, cause I don't know what the heck. I should do this shit out the window a long time ago. But yeah, I'll give it some time. What the hell was it? Yeah, what the hell was it? What the hell was it? What the hell? I thought the long green stuff was kind of weird looking. I didn't think the red was kind of weird looking. What the heck? What the heck? OMG. Yeah, I guess it's better off if I just eat my plants that I grow, or the heck? Excuse me. What the hell was it? What the hell? I should have known. Yeah. Why the hell this damn Samsung or whatever, like my whole phone, like Spectrum, been, I don't know what the hell, it's been going like glitchy or whatever. It's the same stuff that happened before the storm actually hit last year. So it's like been like really glitchy. That whole thing with my phone was like blacked out for like 2 or 3 days, and like now my phone just started playing YouTube music out of nowhere, and YouTube videos I was watching like 2 or 3 days ago out of nowhere, and then it'll start like yeah, like recording me out of nowhere, like recording videos out of nowhere. It just started recording me. So yeah, I basically reset my phone and all that stuff, and I think it was just these trash updates. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to downgrade the software or whatever. It's just too much. You so-called get a new upgraded phone and it's just trash. And I don't know. It's just too much. But yeah, I should have just kept on declining it. The upgrade, the new upgrade that they was offering on my phone. Cause all this stuff, these so-called patches don't be fixing crap on these phones. I was just perfectly fine with my S9, but I wanted a better camera, so yeah. And my stomach is hurting. I do not know what the hell. That was interesting. I'm about to go to sleep in a minute. Yeah. I've been asleep. Yeah. The rest of this, if I'm done with the beer or whatever, wash my hair in it or something, keep it or something like that. That red sauce like got me like disgusted at this point, and it's like I can't get the taste out of my mouth. I don't know if I should eat some candy or what. I don't even. Yeah, I guess I should eat some candy or yeah. Really disgusting. Yeah, so this shit. Need to something. Dang. How much flavor? Let me see. I don't know if I got some watermelon or something in here. Jeez. God dang. I really don't have no life at all, it seems like. Yep. Oh, watermelon. Strawberry. God, dog. I really wanted a watermelon, but pop it over here. Oh, hell well. Guess I ate a strawberry with. Excuse me. That sounded wet. It really sounded wet. I can't. I think I'm gonna sit this outside my door. Really? I think I am. But I can't. That's disgusting. I don't even want to stick up my house. God dang. Just like when you eat some, well, like, take some medicine or whatever. It's really disgusting. Yeah, I think somebody poisoned that stuff. Or said that they would do some whole stuff like that. But that's disgusting. I don't know what the hell was in it. One reason you shouldn't go to a taco place is inside a gas station, maybe. Just for future references, yeah. But like I was reading the reviews on Google or whatever, and it was like it's a good place or whatever, even though it's inside a gas station, it's really good. What the hell? Come on now. Oh, what the hell? Well, I was trying to be optimistic and just say, hey, maybe I need to go to like try something new or whatever. Yeah. Yeah, it's just not my taste buds are like not maybe there, or maybe everybody's cooking is crappy. I like a select few things these days, but everything seems like trash. Oh wow. Everything, literally everything. But on a good note, I skipped like 4 pant sizes ever since like the whole surgery and everything, whatever. It seemed like I'm just like losing constant weight, I guess from not eating or whatever. But I have been occasionally doing a water fast here and there, and then just like fasting spiritually, like for a day or so, and just chill, not even listen to music, meditate, write, or whatever. That, I don't know. It's just like food is not fulfilling anymore, if that makes sense. Everything is like blah. But yeah. It's like other things is like give me life. That makes sense. I don't know. Yeah. That's a lot. That's a mouthful. Really a mouthful. Finish this. Yeah, I don't want no more beer. That's a lot. I don't even want this anymore. I'm done.